No?
Podcast.
Ano to?
Yeah!
Ano ba ka?
Podcast daw. Bayot. O, ano na tayo? Kailangan ng dancer.
Siya pala yung guest artist natin.
I wait around you. I don't tolerate take anymore. It's not you said you let me down. Hey, hey, hey. Try to find. Hey, hey, hey. And I'll look you out. I'll be on. I'll be beside home anywhere. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why do you feel me up?
Let me down.
Ask me around with the words of you never know, baby, when you say it.
Say you will.
I still like you.
I will.
More than anyone else.
You know that I am from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart.
For all I would be for you was hope. You just let me go. Though you're true, I'm trying to be more. What do I need so?
Hey, hey, hey.
Try to find.
Hey, hey, hey.
A little time, and I'll make you happy. I will, 'cause I'm waiting for you.
Woo, woo, woo.
So long until you
Feel me up,
on the cup, baby, just to let me down.
let me
And
down.
mess me around with the words of love.
Words so
You
long,
never know, baby, when you say it.
say you will.
I still like you.
I can feel
More
it.
than anyone, darling.
You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Now in you, more than anyone's done it. You know that I have from the start. Build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Now in you, more than anyone's done it. You know that I have from the start. Build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Thank you so much, Madam. Ako nakakaloka. At since gusto ko lang sumayaw nila, Madam, sige, awit lang ako ng isang song, ha? And then, later on, syempre mag-change po kami ng aming mga host. Ayun, para po magbalik tayo sa ating first batch of host. Sige, so that's time sa ating mga Zumba dancers. Ayan, sayo po tayo, ha? Oo. Okay lang po ba? Pasayolin ko po yung ating mga Zumba ladies. Pwede? Okay. Sige. Since pwede. Here we go. Para po sa inyong lahat. Para po kayo, guys. And wag ka